Jerry Seinfeld, one of the most successful comedians in the world, was once interviewed, and in the interview they asked him about some of his methods. Among some of them, he felt one of his greatest methods was his practice. Once he created his routine, he didn't feel it was even close to done. He had to go field test it. He had to go try it over and over again till every last moment was planned. I mean, even the pauses. Everything that he did had to be just right. And then he said, even down to when he's at his prime, even now, he'll call up some nightclubs around the area or some comedy clubs around his local area, and last minute he'll ask them if they have an opening for him. That way the audience aren't people who already love him and who are already familiar with him. They're people who didn't expect him to be there. So when he shows up, he surprises everybody. Some might not even know who he is. That way he can practice his routine in front of people that aren't already warmed up to him. He can see if they really are going to laugh, if it's really funny, or if they're just doing it to be nice or not. He really practices. He gets into it, and he said it only gets better after he's delivered it to a bunch of audiences and got to see what he should and shouldn't use and how he should use it and the timing that he should use it in. Commit to practicing. Practice over and over. If you don't want to practice in front of a mirror, then practice walking around the house. Practice when there are distractions so that you can get over being distracted and you can know your subject material so well that nothing will distract you. Practice in front of people. Practice over the phone. Practice with people that you don't know super well, but that are okay with practicing with you. Maybe a business associate or whoever you might know that is okay with this. Record yourself on your phone and play it back. Practice over and over so that you're more comfortable and more confident.